Hi everyone, Dorota International nail artist and educator, and today I've got an unusual combination for you. And this Christmas we are going to go pink, and this is awesome combination. Have a preview of it in here. Yes, a marble and a snowflake. I love it so much, and I hope you really enjoy learning this design too. If you do, let me know in the comments below, as we're looking forward to reading them all. Also, guys, thank you so much for all your likes, comments, and shares. We are so close to those 100,000 subscribers. I'm really appreciating it. So let's start. Pink marble and the snowflakes, why not? So I'm going to grab some beautiful pink color, and this is going to be a neon pink 238. Wow, that is really bright, isn't it? Uh-huh, I love it. And then we are going to use the white French gel and our ombre brush. So just pick up a scoop of those white, go through it like this and this and this and this, and this way we can pick up some marble and then start marbling our tips. Wow, that's so pretty. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to love that. And that's the quickest way, guys, to do the marble. That's it, done. Let's cure it. Do the same in here. So here I'm going to go a bit more twisted maybe. Let's do it like this. Okay, if your brush starts painting not nice marble, clean the excess of it and pick up a fresh scoop. I'm going quite weakly. And then just finish it off. So we've got a different one. And the third one. No, the third one I'm going to go straight like this. So depending on the, ideally I like the most the one which goes on the, at the angle. Well, we've got the third marble here. And then give it a cure. The first tip is ready. And that was the first one. So that's my favorite type of marble, like when it goes to this side. Now, using this inhibition layer, which we've got in here, we are going to do some gold, this gold. Because I don't plan the designs beforehand, sometimes I've got dilemma like what I want to do it, and now I have realized, like when I added the foil against the color, this is the color I want to use. And then we are going to transfer it here and there. Use the top coat. I promise it's the last time. I think you guys know even like on which order we have been recording the videos, but this is the last time I'm using this top coat. Cameraman is breathing hard. Okay, we've got another one. Let's transfer the foil. So pick up kind of places which you're not happy with 100% maybe, or they don't look as nice. I quite like this place, so I don't want to place too much transfer foil in there. So I'm going to do it more to this side. And then top coat it. Super quick design, like, but I think the background is so interesting. And then the third one. Also, because I want the foil to be kind of messy, I'm using the same piece of the transfer foil all over the designs. If you're scared you might transfer too much, I'm going to show you a tip as well. What you could do is you could just go like this and make your foil messy. So this way you wouldn't do it too much. You can see it. It kind of gives you a very gentle look. Top coated. I mean, this is so super fast design, guys. I actually love this one because it is very delicate. Step number 2. So we need some dotting tool and a French gel. Of course, all the products, you have seen it, are available on our website, guys. Now I'm just going to quickly add some winter feel to it. And then the D-liner brush. Painting snowflakes with the dotting tool, guys, is just so, like, it's a must-have, like, way of doing so, because they are so quick and easy this way. I actually love it. Okay, don't get lost in here. So this one goes there, there. And the last one. Ta-da! That's a nice winter set. I love it. Like, it's so different. I have never seen anything like that done before. And like, gosh, losing the voice. And I love when the ideas are born, like, and things turn out to be absolutely unbelievably amazing. So here, another one. And another one. There we are. That snowflake is so pretty. I just place a slightly bigger dots on it. Gosh, I'm losing my voice. And then for a balance, we need another one. So I'm just going to do a side of it because I don't want to hide those beautiful gold, which I told you is my favorite one. Okay, so just some dots. And this is going here all the way through. This one I have placed it at the wrong angle. And the wrong angle. No, it's fine, just keep it. Sprinkle with the sugar, but if I wouldn't like it, I could wipe it off because we've got everything top coated and protected with the top coat, so I could easily just wipe away the white and start again. This one reminds me a little bit of like an almost water, like going in a rounded shape, so I want the snowflakes to go and here. And another one in there. Don't place the snowflakes too close to the white color, because if you do it too close to the white color, they are not going to stand out as much. You almost can get lost with all those dots if you put your eyes away for too long from them. So ideally you want to do the cross first, so like those 4 first. The cross. And also make sure your brush doesn't contain too much product. You wanted it to be kind of clear, because if you've got too much product, you don't get as nice, as nice shape. Yes, cameraman. Oh gosh, what I did with my brush. It has sticking out here, right at the end of the video. There we are. And do a cross in here. With the split brush. Sprinkle it. And this way we have created absolutely fantastic winter set of the nails, which is so unusual. And guys, marble would look absolutely... I had dilemma actually, because I thought I will do a purple one, and that's why I put it the purple one on the side, and the pink one I had to take it from the box, because I thought like it will look absolutely amazing with this color. I might actually show you, maybe not the design, but just how when my tip is curing. So look, this is a dark purple, and with pink even, like, it will look fab as well. But look how pretty this purple is turning when we add some white into it. Like really, really nice. So that could be a fantastic marble too. And I think it will look awesome. Okay, let's clean this mess and then we can grab the tip after tip. That was actually the first one, but they all cooked. Let's place it there. Such a pretty design. And not that time consuming, like really quick to do it. Clean the excess here. I love them. I do really love them unbelievably. And then this one here. So much stuff going on in here, but so easy to create it. You can see it. It looks phenomenal, like absolutely amazing, like, and all this sparkle with the gold and everything. If you like it, this video, hit the share button, pretty please, so the others can see it as well. And I'm sending you huge glittery hugs, and bye for now.